Hey guys, okay, this video here is about different types of finishes, like trial and error. So this is a piece of spalted birch I got. I wanted to take my time and carve a real nice wood spirit in it with the beautiful spalt color, okay? So with all my experience, finishing is just trial and error, guys. You know, this guy will say that thing. You can see this guy will say that thing, that guy will say that thing. You know, trial and error. You can see all the spalting in the wood here, okay? So this is what I got it roughed out. I got the big beard here is carved in, so when I do the detail, it's going to look more rippled. You'll see soon to come, okay? You can still see the spalting. See the spalting coming out of his, right eye? All the way down. So here I am doing the spit test, okay? I got all my detail carved in the beard, doing the spit test in the nose. So nothing really changes too much. You'll see in a sec. It darkens up a little bit. So I decided to get some tung oil and stain it with tung oil. Okay, so here it is again without the oil. Okay? Everything's done being carved. Okay, there's some detail. You can see the beard hairs all detailed, carved in for people that you ask. So here is the tung oil that I get. Okay? Great stuff, guys. Great stuff. But this is what the piece looked like after I tung oiled it. It looked like a friggin', I don't know, looked like a bird shit on his head. You know, kind of like an Ewok. I don't like at all what it did for the piece. So I'm like, how do I correct this? How do I correct this? I spent 4 hours, 4 hours carving this piece. So I decided to use the Minwax wood stain over top of it. Prayed to God that it worked, okay? This is my favorite color. It's a provincial finish. Okay, so this is what the piece is going to be like after I did it. This is all like within 10 minutes apart. So you can see it looks better now. In my opinion, it looks better. And there it is. So you guys, you know, like when you're staining your pieces and stuff like that, it's all trial and error, guys. And when you stain and you don't use a clear lacquer, like a clear lacquer, that's when you're going to get the fuzzies. Sorry about that. That's when you're going to see real fuzzies on here, okay? Like, look right there closely, you'll see fuzzies. So what I'm going to do to get rid of the fuzzies, when this oil dries maybe in a couple weeks, because this wood really soaked it in, I'm going to clear this piece. Okay, see, I even gave that guy a chin. So anyways, guys, when you're using finishes, different types of finishes and stuff like that, sometimes it's just best to leave the wood the way it is and don't put anything over it. That's kind of what I wish I did with this piece. You know what I mean? Trial and error, guys. Trial and error. That's how you're going to learn. That's how I'm learning.